Y'all, you put this on and your man might go into cardiac arrest. I'm not even lying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this feels so weird. We are in our new place. It probably sounds a little bit echoey in here because there's not much furniture. I did put a rug down to try to help with the sound, and I am using a mic, so I apologize in advance if it just sounds if it just sounds crazy. But I am so excited to be back with you guys. So I want to apologize for the past couple of weeks being absent. We have been so busy moving. So we moved into this house, and as you guys know from the original house tour, I had a few renovations that I wanted to get done right away, which was painting the entire house and also putting down new floors in the upstairs because it had carpet all in this area, and I'm just not a really big fan of carpet. So I wanted to redo these floors and paint before I actually started bringing furniture up here. So that is why I've been absent, but I plan to be back with regular videos, and I plan on doing some really exciting house to home videos, and also just kind of updating you guys later on, letting you know all about why we moved and all of that. That will probably be my next video to come. So yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, you can always ask me over on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere like that, regarding the move and all of that, and I'll be sure to include it in the update video that I'm going to be uploading next. But today I actually have a unboxing video for you guys. So you all know Valentine's Day is coming up, and with Valentine's Day, things tend to get a little bit more romantic and a little bit more spicy in the bedroom. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Adore Me items, and I've really been loving their site. So what I love most about them is the fact that they not only have lingerie, but they also have activewear and sleepwear, and that's what I really like. I mean, I love a nice lingerie set, but you know, it's just nice to have something to be comfortable in and to be lazy, so I like those nice comfortable sleepwears and all of that stuff. So I love that Adore Me, they pretty much give you the best of both worlds, and if you aren't familiar with Adore Me, then get with the program. I know I filmed a video not too long ago with some of their items, and a lot of you were like, I've never heard of Adore Me before. So yeah, I was so happy to kind of let you guys know the tea on Adore Me because they are just the best thing since shoestrings. So if you aren't familiar with them, they do have a subscription where you can get a bra and panty set for $39.95, and it's kind of like a VIP membership where you can know about new releases and certain sales and all of that great stuff. So I actually have two boxes to unbox with you guys, and whenever you sign up, you do get your first set for $19.95, which is really amazing. You do have the option to skip. So whenever I sign up to subscription sites, what I like to do is set a reminder in my calendar, so in case I do want to skip, you know, I don't get charged for that month. So that's just a little tip, just in case you do want to subscribe but you're like, okay, I might forget to skip or something like that. I always like to put a reminder in my calendar. So yeah, you get your first set for $19.95, and every 6 purchase is free, and you do have free shipping and free exchanges and all of that good stuff. And like I said, if you're like a VIP, you get to know a little bit more about sales and all of that great stuff. So if you're interested, I will have a link listed below so you guys can check out Adore Me. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this box. So it just has like this little sticker right here that says Adore Me, and then your shipping information is on the other side. This is what the inside of the box looks like, and then here they have all of your items wrapped up really nice and neatly with a sticker on the front. So the first thing that's in my box is this red bra and panty set that I picked up. So I decided to get red because Colton really likes the color red, so I was like, why not get a red set? I do not have a red bra and panty set, so that's what this one looks like. It's really cute, you guys. So I love how the back is a racer back. It does have a little bit of padding in it, probably more than what I would like because, you know, I do have pretty big girls, so I don't need the extra padding. But if you're lacking in the booby area, you will definitely like this padding that it adds. So I actually got mine in a 36D, which is my normal size, and this clamps in the front, which I really like. I thought that first thing I showed you guys was a set, but it was actually just a bra. So I have another one, and this is more like, I guess like a bralette you could say, but I got it in the color red. Now this doesn't have the additional padding in it, but it is lined, which is nice. So it does have a little bit of lace detail on the front, and then that's what the back looks like. It just snaps like that, but this is really nice. I love it in the color red because I feel like red just, it's really nice. It just adds a little bit more sexiness to it. It's like wham bam, thank you, man. Now I have some underwear. I really love these. I love the nude color. I actually ended up getting these in a small because I noticed the last time that I ordered that a medium was a little bit too big. So if you're normally a medium, I would say go to a small, and if you're normally a small, I would say go for an extra small. But these are so cute. How cute are those? Absolutely love these, and I like that they're just a nice neutral color, so they'll match with pretty much anything. And then this is actually the bra that goes with that panty. So the bra is completely unlined, you guys. Super duper sexy. I love this color. So this set is, this is probably one of my favorite sets. I love the lace and I love the color of this one. It's just really nice and feminine. And like I told you guys, I had to give, you know, just my regular pajama sets as well. So this is one that I got. So cute. I love the lace around the top, and then it also has polka dots. And this is just really nice and comfortable. It's really loose fitting, so you don't have to worry about anything being restricted. And then this is what the bottoms look like. They're almost like little boy shorts, and they're so cute because around the side it has a lace detail. So I just think these are super duper adorable, really nice to sleep in at night. And then I have another set, and this is in green. This is actually a tank top and some shorts. Look how cute these shorts are. I love the little pom-poms on them. Look how cute. I just love that. I think it's so cute. They actually had this set in blue as well, but I don't think they had the blue in my size, so I'm gonna check back later to see if they have the blue, but this is so cute. It's like a forest green color. That was pretty much everything for that first box, so I went ahead and opened up the second one. And the first thing we have is velvet. You guys know I am so obsessed with velvet. How cute is this? I thought this was so cute. So this is just a nightgown, but how cute is that? I absolutely love the velvet. This is what the back looks like. Has a little bit of lace on it, and it's really short, sexy. I love that it has a little split with the lace around it. So what I like about this is it's really nice and comfortable, but it also has that sexiness. So you can be comfortable, but you can also be sexy at the same time. So I love this. All right, y'all, brace yourself, because I know this next item you see, you're gonna be like, okay, there's gonna be baby number 2 coming real soon. This is literally nothing, you guys. This is so sexy. This is like sexy to the 10th degree. So I can't even, y'all, I can't even. You know, this is one of those things you literally, you put on just to do the bedroom boom, okay? So this is the top of this. Do I have to explain more? Okay, so this is where the boobs go, like here. So you would just put that on there. And then this is the back where it has the little heart charm. Y'all, you put this on and your man might go into cardiac arrest. I'm not even lying. This is just sexy. You can get you some thigh highs to go with this, and it's over. It's OV. It's flatline, okay? But yeah, this will probably be worn on Valentine's night. Should I be telling you guys about that? I don't know. But this is super sexy. And this Nyx bra and panty set I got is also really sexy. It's literally just for the bedroom boom, like I was saying earlier. So it's completely lace. I love that. This is so sexy, you guys. I like this a lot. It's really nice and feminine as well. And then it does have the underwear that match. So this is what the underwear looks like. I could actually get away with wearing these on like an everyday basis because they're like, you know, full house panties in the back. Got everything going on in the back, but it does have that lace detail. Really nice, really sexy, really feminine. I know I've said, you know, sexy 50 million times in this video, but there's no other way to describe some of this stuff. So now we're getting more towards, you know, more lounge wear. And this is really comfortable. Like, this is something that I would just sleep in on like an every night basis. So it looks like this. It's super soft, you guys. And the other little pajama sets that I ordered the last time, they washed up really well. And that's what's important for me. Like, that's so important to me. Whenever I buy like pajamas, I want to make sure that they're washing up well, and that whenever I wash them, they're not gonna, you know, shrivel up and just, you know, go into millions of pieces. But this is really nice. It's comfortable. And then these are the bottoms. I love these bottoms because they don't really get in the way whenever you're asleep. You know, they're not anything that's gonna be too big or too bouchy or I don't even know if that's a word, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like, it's not gonna be anything that's just in the way. And these are super cute. Love this coral color. I got another cute little lounge set. So this is the top. I actually thought of the beach whenever I saw this. The top is just a tank top. Looks like that. It's the back. And then here's the bottoms. Does this not just remind you of like springtime, like being at the beach or somewhere like that? So just something nice to lounge around in. So whenever you kind of want to look cute being around the house, but you don't want to be fully dressed up, you know, you could throw on something like that. I also ended up picking up a teddy. So teddies are really, really nice for lingerie in my opinion, because I feel like they complement any body type. Like, anybody's gonna look good in a teddy, and your man is gonna automatically think you just look banging in it. So this is the one that I decided to get. It's nice and black. It's kind of mesh. It's not completely see-through. It does have lace on it, and I feel like this would be really nice if you feel like you're just, you know, a little bit self-conscious. You don't really want to go there with like the little, you know, the slingshot that I showed you earlier, but you want to be sexy, but you also, you know, you want to keep it classy. Then this is it. This teddy right here would be it. So, you know, you kind of want to take it to the next level and look sexy, but also classy. I would say go with this. It kind of covers up the midriff area a little bit, so it's gonna just look really nice. So I would say go for this. I like the back because, you know, it's not fully out there, but it gives you a little bit of peekaboo. So I think this would just be real good. And then I have one more thing to share with you guys, and this is actually a nightgown. I love the colors of this. It's burgundy and black. Real, real cute. Really soft, and it's nice to sleep in. I'll probably end up sleeping in this tonight. I really love little gowns like this. They're just really comfortable to sleep in. And I did get all of my pajamas in a size small because last time I noticed that a medium was just a little bit more oversized than what I like. So yeah, I did get these in a small, but I'm just completely loving Adore Me. I will have a link below in case you guys are interested in checking out their things. All right, my little buttercups, that was everything that I wanted to share with you guys from Adore Me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in checking out Adore Me, there will be a link below. Go ahead, pick you up a few of those lingerie items and get it on and popping for your boo. I promise you, you will not regret it because the items are really nice. And then also, if you just want to get like some sleepwear, activewear, they also have that. I really love the sleepwear because it's just really nice and comfortable, and it's super duper cute. So yeah, link will be listed below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As I said earlier, my next video will be an update for you guys, letting you know all about this move. And then after that, hopefully I will have an update for you guys with house to home, because we have a lot of stuff going on. I've been trying to actively vlog, but of course, you know, with so many people going in and out and so much stuff going on, I haven't really been too dedicated to vlogging, but vlogs will be coming more regularly. So if you're interested in my life, in our life, what's going on, then I would really appreciate it if you would check out NitraaB TV. There will be a link below in case you guys are interested. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Again, Adore Me link is below, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!